Hey, what's up guys? So in this video we will see how to remove objects from photos on the Samsung Galaxy A17. Now the Samsung Galaxy A17 does not have the object eraser feature by default. But if you want to get this feature, just open the Google Play Store, then in the search bar just search this. Then install this app. Then tap on Open and tap on Continue. Now from this list, just select Remove Object. Tap on the X icon and select Don't Allow. Now from here just select Remove Objects and tap on Allow All. Now in the Gallery app just select the photo from which you want to remove an object. For an example, I will select this photo. Now just select the brush option. Now to remove the object from this photo, just mark over the object which you want to remove. After you mark over the object which you want to remove, then tap on Remove. And once you do that, you will remove the selected object from the photo. Now sometimes it might not remove the object completely. Just select the brush one more time and mark over the object which it left and tap on Remove. And it will remove the object completely. Now to save the photo, just tap on Next and tap on Save. Now after you save the photo from this app, you will find the edited version in the Gallery app. Just like that. And this is how you can remove objects from photos on the Samsung Galaxy A17. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.